Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's episode, we're going to talk about quality of seeds for the allotment in the garden. As obviously, when you're doing an allotment, the best sort of seeds to get are quality seeds. Now, quality seeds can be expensive, or if you find somewhere, sometimes they're selling them off at the end of the year and you can get bargains and buy them all for next year. So where do I get my quality seeds from? Well, I don't spend a lot on my seeds at all. If anything, I buy them from the cheapest places. And I've got some good quality seeds in the past. And I've certainly got quality seeds at the moment. The place where I used to buy them from has shut down, which was Wilko's. I used to get all my seeds from Wilko's, everything. And towards the end of the year, they'd sell them all off at 10 pence, 20 pence, and I'd stock up for the years to come. And I've still got loads of them now, to be honest. A lot of them have probably gone out of date, but they still can be used sometimes. And yeah, so since Wilco shut down, I was absolutely devastated. When that news broke out, I was like, no, what am I going to do for all my seeds now? It's going to cost me so much more to buy all my seeds. Well, something special happened, and that was the range took over Wilco and they started stocking all their seeds again. And they don't often have offers on them because they're in their garden centres, so they're there all year round. And obviously they don't do the 3 for 2 as well, which Wilco used to do. But we do get all our seeds from the range now. So let's have a look at some of the seeds which the range offer. So let's have a look and see some of the seeds that I've got growing that are Wilco branded. Now the seeds often come in packets like this. They usually have quite a lot of seeds in them as well. Sometimes you have to watch out because when you buy them, they sometimes don't have many seeds in them. But the Wilco ones always have tons of seeds in them. So these are some of the ones which I purchased recently. So let me show you them growing. And here we are. They look absolutely fantastic. Like the sweetcorn looks absolutely brilliant. That will be ready to plant out soon. Same goes for the beetroot. The beetroot's growing fantastic. Cucumbers, look at all them. That is how many seeds I got in one packet. And as you can tell, literally they've all germinated. And they're all doing really well. There's cauliflower, perfect. Spinach, make us big and strong like Popeye. Ignore the bindweed in the background. We've got loads of turnips. Look at how many seeds came in them packets. Yeah, we've got beetroot. Even the peas have done fantastic. They're growing well. I grow them in trays first and then they will go out. We've got as runner beans. They're doing well as well. Or should I say dwarf beans? Dwarf beans, not runner beans. They're doing well. But yeah, everything is growing well. So if you're looking for quality seeds at cheap prices, the best place I recommend is the range to buy all the Wilco seeds. And you can purchase them online as well and order them that way if you've not got a range near you. So have a look around. If you've got somewhere that you love to buy your seeds from, drop it in the comments. Let me know where you get all your seeds from. If you've liked this video, make sure you give it a like, give it a follow. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all my videos. We've got lots and lots of content coming out recently. So stay up to date with it all. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.